Taco night is the best night in our house, so we're always looking for ways to spice things up, and that's exactly what these chorizo tacos do. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we are making classic chorizo tacos. Crispy chorizo tops warm corn tortillas, and then we're adding fresh cilantro and diced onion for a classic street taco feel. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive or avocado oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add half of the diced onion and cook to sweat it for 3 to 4 minutes. When the onion is soft and translucent, crumble 1 pound of Mexican chorizo over top. Mexican chorizo is a soft, uncooked pork with tons of Mexican spices, while Spanish chorizo is a cured link usually sliced and served like a summer sausage. If you don't have a quality Mexican chorizo without any corn syrups on hand, I've got a great DIY to make your own with ground pork and spices. Once you add the chorizo to the onion, cook, stirring occasionally for 10 to 12 minutes until no pink remains. Let the chorizo sit over high heat a few times without stirring to create a crispy, almost charred outside. I think that's the secret touch to making these tacos so good. While the chorizo is cooking, heat a griddle or separate dry skillet over medium-high heat to warm the tortillas. Once it's hot, place the tortillas in the skillet and cook them for about 30 to 40 seconds on each side. You can wrap them in a kitchen towel to keep them warm. Divide the chorizo mixture into the tortillas, usually double wrapped, then top with the remaining chopped onion, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Everybody who knows me well knows that my favorite food is a taco. I love how creative you can get with the filling and the toppings, so if you want to twist up your taco night, try these healthy, naturally gluten-free and dairy-free chorizo tacos. Drop a comment if you make these. I would love to know what you think. If you want to try another twist on taco night, check out these Instant Pot chicken enchiladas.